This is a video review for the COOKLEE food processor. This is what it comes like out of the box right here. Everything is wrapped super well. We got blades over here. So we have 1, 2, and 3. This is gonna be our base. You can see this is gonna be our touchscreen right here. The plug even comes nicely wrapped, which is really, really nice. And then we have our main base right over here and a great instruction book. That's what's inside. Let's get this set up and I'll show you how it works. All right, so we got it taken out of the box. You're seeing this E1 because it is not set up. It's kind of for your to stay safe. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this black piece right here, put this blade over it, and then we're gonna put that right in there, just like that. So you still see that. It's because this is not locked in yet. So you're gonna put this on top, and once it is locked, we are good to go. So you get these 3 blades right over here as well. And then we got this top piece here. So if you want to put something in there, you could push it down just like that. Really, really nice setup. So this is what we got here in the instruction booklet. Definitely save this. You got the ice crushing mode. You got dough kneading. You got meat mincing. You got clean mode. Just really, really easy. So what we got over here, so turn this on. We're just going to hit that button right over there. Super simple. This is the dough knead function. This is kind of ice crush if we want to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to push that like that. And you can see it goes really, really nice. It's super quiet, which I personally like. So if you wanted to stop it, you just hit that button right there. You can set a timer for these as well. You want to kind of do the dough kneading right over here. You'll see it's a lot slower. It's not kind of like crushing, which is nice. I just really like this a lot. Like the fact that you could just touch whatever you want and you could adjust the speed if you want as well. So if you're looking for a great food processor that's easy to set up, easy to use, easy to clean, has a ton of great accessories, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.